students, welcome back to computer applications classes of class 10th. Today we are going to learn some more HTML tags. Let us see what are the different tags we are going to learn. Today we will learn the attributes of table tag, that is cell spacing and cell padding, and the attribute of TD tag, that is row span and col span. So let us start with an example. Here in the left side you can see the code for HTML table. So suppose I want to create a table in a web page. What type of code we need to write? We have already done it in a previous session, but it is just a recapitulation. The same example I have taken. So now over here you can see we haven't taken any BG color, no width, nothing, no alignment attribute, just the border attribute has been taken. And now if we go for cell padding is the attribute that is used to provide space between the cell border and the cell content. Means if this is the border, let me explain. If this is the border and this is the cell content, then the space between the border and the cell content, just see everywhere it is different. So to have it we have to use cell padding. So let us see what type of code we need to write. Since it is the attribute of table tag, so we need to write it in the table tag, inside the table tag. Okay, cell padding equal to 30. Since I have written 30, so when I will browse it in the web browser, I'll get this. Just see the space. Okay, I hope the cell padding is clear to all of you. Now next we have got cell spacing. Cell spacing is used to give space between two cells. Like see in this example, how amount of space is given between two different cells. So this space is given with the help of cell spacing. So this is cell spacing. Now let us see how we are going to write the code. Just the way we have written cell padding, in the same way we need to write cell spacing just inside the table tag as an attribute. Okay, so you'll get the table with spaces between the cells. Now there is one attribute of table, that is width. It is specified to have a better width of the table. This is again used just the way we have used cell spacing and cell padding. So suppose we have written width equal to 240, then you can see the width of the table has increased. Okay, now since we have written 240, so it is significant, but if you write 40 or 30, it will not be that much significant. You will not be understand the difference. Now let us start with col span. Col span is the attribute of TD tag, that is a subtag of your table tag. Col span, when we are saying col span, it is actually standing for column span. Means it is used to merge one or more cells of basically making a bigger cell of a column. Okay, so if I want to merge, it is basically working as your merging columns. So if you want to have a bigger size of column, then you have to have col span. Suppose you want to merge two columns and get a bigger column, then you'll write col span equal to 2. If you want to merge 3 columns, you'll write col span equal to 3, and so on. So this is the syntax. TD col span is equal to, you have to write the number of columns that you want to span, basically merge, and then whatever content you want to write inside that, and then the close TD. So let us see how we are going to see. Suppose this is the example. On the right side, you have got the browser page, like sum, this one. You can see basically we have got two columns, but at the end sum, here the two columns are being merged together and we have got a single column, right? So for that, what we have done, how to get this table, I'll start explaining from the name. There is the first cell of the table. Since it is the header of the table, we'll start with tr, th name equal name, and then close th. The same way, th expense, close th, and then close tr. So first row complete. Then second row, tr, td, Arun, close td, $10, close td, close tr. Second row complete. So first row, second row complete. For third row, tr, td, Priya, close td, then td, $8, close td, then close tr. So with this, third row also complete. For the fourth row, we have only one column. We do not have two. So what we will do, we will have just one TD. Every column, every cell, we have got one TD. Okay, we need to have one TD. So here you can see, after the third row, we have started the fourth row, TR. This space is just negligible. Just to make a difference, I have given a space. It is just not required. It will not affect anything in the browser page, even if you give. Now then, TD call span equal to 2. Why 2? Because we need to merge two columns. So we have written to call span equal to 2, and then some dollar, that is the content, and then close TD. So just one TD we have written, since we have got one column inside that fourth row, and then close the row, tr, and then close table, close body, and close HTML. With this, you will get the table in which we have merged two columns and got a larger cell of one column. I hope the call span is clear to all of you. Next, we have got row span. Just opposite to call span. Call span is used to merge two columns. Row span is used to merge two rows. And its syntax is again same as your call span. TD row span is equal to value, how many rows you want to merge, and then table content, and then close TD. Let us see the example. HTML head. I will not explain this again. This portion is same for every time. Now, since I have to give a heading of this like this, I have used H2. You can also use H1. Okay, you can also use H1. We have used H2. Then we'll start with table border equal to 2. You can write 3, 4 depending upon your choice. Then header. For header, we have written, this is the first row. So tr, th, name, close th, age, close th, and then the close tr. So that is the first row complete. Then the second row. For second row, just see, Ajay is the first cell, and then this is the row span. The two rows are actually, this was the single. This is just like this, right? So how do we consider them? This is the first row, this is the second row. Actually, it was supposed to be like this, right? But since these are two merged, so we'll consider it in the second row only. This is the first cell, This is the second cell, and in the third cell we'll consider only one cell. Third row will consider only one cell. Let's see how we are going to write the code. So first row, you have understood how to write the header, right? Then the second code, the second row, well, what you will write? You will start with tr, write td, because there is no change in td. First td, right, Ajay? So we'll write td Ajay. I have given you a comment. Just see. The cell will take up space on 2 rows. So for that, what you will do? TD row span is equal to 2, and then this is the important line, then 24, then close TD, and then close TR. Now at the end, I have already told you at the end, the last row having one cell, because this cell will be considered in the second row only. Okay, so we will write just TR, TD and Priya and close TD. With this, we'll close the TR. There is a last row, the third row, and then close table. With this, we'll close the table body tag and the HTML tag. And when you will run this code, you'll get this output. I hope the row span is also clear to all of you. With this, we'll end our session today. If you have any doubt, do let me know. We'll explain it again. Thank you.